Hello, my name is Daniela Macas, and in this presentation I will define needs analysis, its purpose, types of needs, stakeholders, and methodologies. First of all, needs analysis has been defined as the activities that are related to gathering information that is used as a basis for developing a curriculum considering the needs for a specific group of learners. According to Jones, needs analysis is the initial stage when designing a course. Without this initial step, the subsequent course design activities would lack validity and relevance. For Woodrow, needs analysis is the support of ESP course design. This author also considered that needs analysis is the first step in the cycle of a course design. It involves a systematic analysis of what learners require to effectively communicate in the target language. In fact, needs analysis is very important because it allows the ESP teacher know about the students' expectations and necessities they have. It is important to design a course that can meet or satisfy those needs. If we do not know what the learners' needs are and what they already know, how can we create a course for helping them? So therefore, the aim of the needs analysis is to get information related to the learner's necessities, lacks, and wants with the purpose of including the appropriate material and elements in a course. Okay. According to Woodrow, some of the most important types of needs are the following ones. First, target communication situation that considers the end goal of learners. The present situation analysis considers where the learners are current in terms of a language competence. Analysis of lacks consider the differences in skills between the current situation and the target situation. Pedagogical needs considers the learning strategies required to follow in an ESP course. Means analysis or consideration of constraints refers to possible resources such as staff, materials, and classrooms. And some synonyms for needs, wants, desires, lacks, necessities, gaps, deficiencies, and requests. The stakeholders' perspective. According to Woodrow, needs analysis in ESP involve students, teachers, governing bodies, sponsors, and employers. Their perceptions or perspective will be different when considering needs and constraints as well as the requirements of the target communication situation. Their decisions are very important. However, not all of the stakeholders have the same power to decide, and this affects the ESP course because some stakeholders make decisions without considering the real learner's needs. In addition, the ESP course designer can consider asking current practitioners, experts, past students, and past teachers. Also, literature about needs analysis must be consulted. About the methodologies. For collecting information, quantitative and qualitative methods can be applied. Quantitative methods include the administration of questionnaires for sponsors and the intended students, also language audits and language tests. Qualitative methods include the use of interviews, observations, and discourse analysis. In the process of collecting information, students, teachers, and domain specialists participate. The data should include details about the present situation, students' previous knowledge, and their learning styles. Empirical data can be gathered from specific communicative events through discourse analysis and authentic tasks observation. Once the information is collected, it's necessary to analyze those results according to their frequency. And triangulation of the collected information can be carried out to have more reliable analysis. And this triangulation can be achieved by applying 3 different instruments and analyzing those results. Thank you, and here are the references I used.